Hello. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you all? Fine?
Fine.
Fine?
Yes.
Is this audio clear?
Yes.
Video? Yes, children? Yes. Now we are learning about more children. They are joining. We will wait for 2 minutes. I can see Vanchal, Binnu, Ethan, Asin, Alona. Good morning, all. Delna, Akshach, Saira. Saira is a new girl? New? Saira is new? You joined this year? Saira? Yes? Binu, Noel, Nia. Noel and Nia, can you on your video? Okay. So good morning, children. We were discussing about circle and its parts. Okay. Now, Binu,
Yes, ma'am.
can you say what are the parts we have discussed so far?
Radius,
Radius,
diameter,
diameter, radius, diameter. Yes, Sabari, Shabari, radius, diameter. Can you unmute and say one more parts we have studied last class? Chord. Okay, very good. Chord, radius, diameter. Before that, we have discussed in the first class. Asin Rose, can you say what are the things, what are the parts of the circle we have studied? Asin? Yes, Asin? We have discussed center. The first day we have discussed center, radius, diameter, chord. Okay. Now, then can you say what is a circle? What is a circle?
It's a symbol close. It's not.
Yes, then a little more louder. It's a circle is a symbol closed figure with no edges or corners. We have seen many examples for circles. Yes, bangle, wheel. Then what are the things we have learned? Biscuits. All these we have seen in the shape of a circle. Now we are discussed a circle is a symbol closed figure, no edges or corners. And we have started learning more about circle and the parts of the circle. The first day we learned what is a center. Center is a fixed point in the circle, and this fixed point will be at the same distance on any point on the circle. Okay. Now, what is a radius? Delna, can you say what is a radius? What is a radius? The line from the center to the edge. Excellent. Okay. So we have discussed what's a radius. The radius is a line segment. Radius is a
from the center of the circle.
yes. Children, more children. Children, be punctual. So many are joining now. Okay. So circle, we have discussed circle and a radius. Radius is the line segment joining line segment joining the center and the edge. Okay. Now, what is a diameter? Delna?
A line segment.
Delna? Yes. Who is speaking?
A line segment.
Line segment. That joins 2 points on the circle. Yes. And passing through the center. Very good. Children, don't forget. Okay. It's very important. Diameter should pass through the center. Radius is the line segment joining the center and a point on the circle. And what is the diameter? Is the line segment joining 2 points on the circle, and it should pass through the center. Okay. Now, Niranjan. Where is Niranjan? Niranjan, yes, what's a code? What is a code? Yes, what is a code?
Line segment.
What is a code? Can you be a little more louder? Line segment.
That join.
Yes. Line segment. It's a line segment that joins 2 points on the circle. So what is the difference between a chord? What is the difference between a chord and a diameter? Who can say? Raise your hand. Len.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say what is the difference between chord? What is the difference between a chord and
Line segment that join any 2 points on a circle.
so chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle, and diameter is also a line segment joining 2 points. So what is the difference between a chord and a diameter? What is the difference between a chord and diameter?
Diameter pass to the center.
Very good. Excellent, Len. Excellent. Yes, the diameter is passing through the center. Very good. So the diameter means it is the line segment that joins 2 points on the circle, but it should pass through the center. But chord can be passing through the center, but always the chord will not be passing through the center. Very good. Now, which is the longest chord, Leonardo? Which is the longest chord? Which is the longest chord?
Diameter.
Very good. Diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Very good. So, we have discussed what is a circle and the parts. In the parts, we have discussed what's the center, radius, chord, diameter. Diameter should pass always through the center. Chord is also a line segment joining, but it always need not to be passing through the center. So diameter is the longest chord. So diameter is the longest chord. Now we are going to see
Boat.
we are going to
Boat.
yeah, we are going to discuss more about diameter. So now we are going to okay, children, all the children, please mute. All the children, please mute your audio. All the children, Leonardo, please mute your. You have to wait, okay? We are going to look at the board. You're going to share the board.
Green.
Okay, children, we are going to share the screen. So we are going to discuss more about diameter. We will learning what is the diameter. Is the longest chord or edge. We are going to discuss the what is the relation between the diameter and radius. Okay, what is the relation between radius and diameter? Okay, can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. One more time we will share. That's okay. Children, can you see the board now?
Yes.
Yes. So now I'm going to draw one circle. Okay. Now, Anabika. Can you see one point in the middle of the circle? Yes. What's this point called? What is this point called?
Center.
Center. Okay. From center, we are going one to the edge. Now, Evangel, OA is called what? What is OA? No need to write anything. Please, all the children, please pay attention. No need to write anything. What is OA? What is OA? Yes, Delna. What is OA? Can you see the board? Can you see the board? Delna? What is OA? OA is the center. O is the center. O is the center and OA is the line segment joining the center to the edge. So what is that called? Center to the edge. What is that? Radius. Okay, it's called radius. So how we will denote that is small letter R. What is that? Small letter R. Now, you know what is a diameter? Diameter is the line segment passing through the center to another edge. Now, OA, here I will write B. Now, what is BA? Alona, what is BA? What is BA? Not clear? Children, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Aiden. What is, can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. Now what is BA called? BA. BA? Diameter. Very good. So BA is the diameter. Very good. So diameter. Now look here. This is the diameter and we will represent BA, the diameter as B. A is the diameter and that is denoted by D. Okay. Now you can see from OA to 1R. From here also O to B is also R. So what will be D? What will be D? R and again one more R. Here OB, from here also one R. From OA also R. So D will be, who can say what is D will be diameter. 2 times R. 1 R, again 1 more R. So what is D? 2 into R. Okay, children, 2 times radius. That is known as diameter. Okay. Okay, children, we have discussed diameter is the longest chord and D is 2 into R. Did you understand how the diameter becomes 2 times R from the picture? Yes? 2 times R. Yes, Arav. If 5 is the radius, so what will be diameter? What will be diameter? 2 into 5. What is 2 into 5? 10. Yes, very good. Children, you have to be very thorough with the multiplication table. All the children today is the homework. What is the homework for today? Study multiplication table of 2. Study multiplication table of 2. Okay, Algan. If 7 is the radius,
Okay, ma'am.
if 7 is the radius, what will be the diameter? 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Algan, who is helping you? 14. Yes. Children, if you are not using the headset, please say louder. Okay, Shabari. Shabari, can you hear me? Need to write and study. Now, children, wait and please stay muted. Arav, those who are getting chance, they are unmuting. Shabari, if the radius is 10, what will be the diameter? What will be 2 into 10? 2 into 10? 2 into 10? 20. Yes. Children, all the children has to be very attentive in the class, okay? Children, we are learning maths. So, if you are looking here and there, all are getting distracted, okay? Those who are attending math class, I told you, we have only half an hour, yes? We are learning only very little, okay? So, all the children, please mute the audio. Please mute the audio. Binu, mute. Delna, Mohammed Faris, Alona, Leonardo. All the children, please mute. So, we were discussing what are the parts of a circle. So, we have learned diameter is the longest chord. So, diameter is the longest chord, and today we learn what is D. D will be 2 times R. So, you told me 2 into 5. If 5 is the radius, what will be the diameter? 10. And if 9 is the radius, Ridu, can you unmute and tell me? Ridu, can you unmute and tell me? If 9 is the radius, what will be the diameter? 2 into 9. What is 2 into 9? Today, all the children will 18. Very good, very good. Now, so if you know the radius, you can find out the diameter by multiplying by 2. Because radius is 2 times, diameter is 2 times radius. Okay, children?
How many times write and study?
No, children, all the instruction I will give you later. Now, please pay attention. Don't worry about writing and studying. Okay? Don't worry about writing and study, children. Okay? I will tell you all the instructions clearly. Now, we are going to learn semicircle. What's that? Semicircle. Someone is talking there. Who is talking? Mute your audio. Mute Ridu, Andakrishnan, Delna. Mute your audio. Delna, mute. Can you see the mute? Okay. Now we are learning what is a semicircle. You know the diameter is the line segment passing through the center. So this diameter divides the circle into two halves. So each half is called a semicircle. Okay. You can see the diameter is the line segment passing through the center, and it divides the center into two halves. So each half is called a semicircle.
Circle.
Semicircle. Now I'll show you that one. Children, can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see diameter is the line segment. Diameter is the line segment that passes through the center, and it divides circle into two halves. Yes? So each half is called a semicircle. Yes? So what is the shape of semicircle? It is only the half. It is only the half. When your parents are bringing something like pizza and all, you know how to make it half, no? Yes?
Yes.
Like that only, that is semicircle.
Semicircle.
Understood? Semicircle. Now we are learning one more word today. One more. That is the new word. That is circumference. Circumference. What is the circumference? It is the length of the circle. Length of the circle means it is the length outside, no? Length of the circle. That is called circumference. So, today we learned new words. What are the new words we learned today? Who can say A? Then can you say?
Circumference.
Circumference. Then circumference. Then we learned today all the children, please note the spelling circumference. Then semicircle. What's that?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. So circumference. What is the circumference? The length of the circle. What is that? Length of the circle. So how you can measure the length? You can now, children, if you have any bangle or something, take one thread and you can make it go round the figure. That is will be the length of the circle. What is the length of the circle called, Leonardo? The length of the circle is circumference. Circumference. Length of the circle is circumference. What is semicircle? The diameter divides the circle into two halves, and each half is called each circle half is called semicircle. Okay. And we have learned one more. Diameter is children, please pay attention. Can you see the board?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. We have learned today what is a semicircle. What is a semicircle? The diameter of a circle divides the circle into two halves. Each half is called a semicircle. What is circumference? What is circumference? Someone is scribbling here. Who is there? Anyone writing on the board? So here we have discussed today the diameter is the longest chord. And what is D? D is 2 times R. What is that? D is 2 times R. So, if you want to get the radius, you have to divide the diameter by 2. Okay. Then we learned, what is we learned? Semicircle. What is semicircle? What is semicircle? The diameter of a circle divides the circle into 2 halves. Each half is called a semicircle. Understood? If you have a circle, if you are drawing 1 diameter in the middle, so there is one part and here also one part. So each half is called what? Each half is called what? Each half?
Semicircle.
Circle. Very good. So each half from here, each half, this half is one semicircle and another is another semicircle. And what is the circumference? If you are taking the length of the circle, the full length like this, that is called circumference. What is that called? Circumference. And what is this? Semicircle. We have learned today, semicircle is the, what is semicircle? The diameter of a
circle.
diameter of a circle. Yes, divides the circle into 2 halves. So what is that? Each half is called? Each half is called a semicircle. Okay. What is circumference? Who can read? Saira. Yes, what? Saira, can you see the board? What is the circumference? The length of the circle is called, length of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Okay, very good. Now, okay, so children, we learned what are the things today. What is a semicircle? What is a semicircle? Niranjan, unmute and say what is a? What is a semicircle? The diameter of a circle. Yes, unmute and say diameter of a circle.
The diameter of a circle.
Diameter of a circle divides a circle into 2 halves. Each half is called?
Semicircle.
What is that? Each half is called? Semicircle. Very good. Sahal. What is the circumference? What is the circumference?
Length of the circle.
The length of the circle. Okay. Now, D is equal to, who is going to tell me now? Anay.
R.
Yes. D is equal to 2 times R. Yes. 2 into R. 2 into R. So, if 4 is the radius, Krishnesh,
Yes.
what will be the diameter? If 4 is the radius, what will be the diameter? 4 into 2. What is 4 into 2? 8. Yes, excellent. Now you understood what is the relation between, diameter and radius. If you know the radius, you can find out diameter. How will you find out? You will multiply by 2. So if 8 is the radius, what will be the diameter? Angelo. 16, yes. 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. So now it's the time for revise. We will just revise what we have learned today. And I'm sending the notes. Are you writing that neatly in your notebook? Yes?
Yes.
So every day I'm sending the I will be sending the notes in the WhatsApp. You have to be,
Right.
you have to write neatly every day. You have to be very attentive in the class and understand all the topics and write everything neatly. And I will be sending the homeworks. How do I know that you are writing the homeworks? What you will do? You will write the homework and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, children? Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So what we are going to do now? Whenever you get the notes, you will write neatly, and the homeworks you will do in the notebook daily. You will do the homeworks daily in the notebook, and what you will do, you will send through WhatsApp to me personally. Okay? You cannot do in the group. So what you have to do? Send me the. So I will be writing today. What will be the homework? I will tell you to find out the
Multiplication
diameter.
table.
Diameter.
Multiplication table.
2 homeworks today. First one will be, what is first one? Multiplication table of
Two.
2. Okay. Multiplication table of 2 you will study. Then only you will do the homeworks which I am sending to find out the diameter. Understood? If you don't know the multiplication table of 2, you will not be able to find the diameter. Okay, children? So diameter is very easy, but first what you'll do, you will study the multiplication table and tell your parents to ask you like fast. You 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, like that. If you are able to do faster, you can do all the calculations faster. Okay, children? Understood? So what are the things we learned today? Who can say? Algan? Yes, Algan? Semicircle. Semicircle.
Diameter.
Circumference. Circumference.
Circumference.
Circumference is the length of the circle. Okay, very good. What is the semicircle? Also, we learned what is the semicircle. The diameter of circle divides the circle into 2 halves, and each half is called semicircle. Okay. Then we learn how to find out the diameter if you know the radius. Yes? If you know the radius, how will you find out the diameter? Yes, Binu. How will you find out the diameter? Multiply by 2. Okay, multiply by 2. So now it's the time to wind up the session. I hope all of you have understood. If you have understood, can you raise your hand? Today we learned only semicircle and circumference. Okay? I think most of the children understood. So what you will do, you will write all the notes clearly and neatly in the notebook and revise the multiplication table for tomorrow. Okay? Okay, now we will wind up the session. Okay, children, bye. Is there any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, is there any doubt?
No.
No. Okay. Now, have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Okay?
Enjoy your day.